Hello everyone, my name is Victory, and in today's tutorial I'm going to teach you guys how you can make use of your clone stamp tool, your eraser tool, your gradient tool, and your blur tool. Okay, let's get started. Talking about your clone stamp tool, I'm going to use an image from the internet to illustrate this. Okay. And copy, then Ctrl V to paste on Photoshop. Scale it down. Okay, click on your clone stamp tool, which the shortcut for this is S, and let's move straight to the image. Zoom in. Okay, this is what this tool can be used for. It's like the way the name sounds, clone. All you need to do is to hold on your Alt key to select a particular area you are cloning to fill a second area. Okay, let me try and illustrate this. If I'm to, let's say, the nose, okay, I'm cloning the nose to another area, like I'm taking it somewhere else, this same shape or this same feel. Just hold on Alt key and place it here. So you can just be painting it, and see the nose is moving down here. Although this is creepy, but I'm just trying to explain what this tool can be used for. We are creating a photo manipulation now, and you want to do something mystical and something like this. Okay, this is what this tool is used for. Wow, it's just an illustration. And okay, that's for that. Let's jump into the next tool. um, your eraser tool, the shortcut is E. Okay, then you can adjust the opacity, you can adjust the flow, and you can also change the type of brush you are using. So we're on the tool now, so all you need to do is to hold on your right click and just wipe. You're done. You can as well reduce the opacity, like I said earlier on. So basically you can use this to blend also. We are creating a kind of background to blend. Okay, that's for that. But I won't advise you use this to blend because you cannot reverse the process. So I prefer you use the brush tool. If you don't know how to use the brush tool, you can check my previous tutorial. I talked about how you can make use of your brush tool to blending. Okay, that's for the eraser tool. Talking about the gradient tool, G, the shortcut is G. Did you check your color bars here, the colors there? So you have to put the color you want to fill. For the gradient tool, we are making use of two colors. So your two colors are set. All you need to do is to just slide up like this. Okay, that's how it works. You can also change the colors, maybe your same process. Okay, that's for that. For your paint bucket tool, what this tool is used for is to fill your layer. So you choose your color, just right click on your work frame, and you're done. Okay, that's for that. Let's move straight to the blur tool. For the blur tool, I'll have to make use of an image to illustrate this also. Okay, let's work with this guy. I'll scale it down. Okay, click on the blur tool, the shortcut. Okay, there's no shortcut for this. You can adjust the strength, and this is where you adjust your strength. Okay, so let's increase the strength, and you see it's smoothing the face. Maybe there's a rough. You can use it to remove the texture on your face, and that's what this tool is used for. And you can also increase the strength. So it's smoothing the image. Okay, let's talking about your sharpen tool. Although it was not part of the video, but let me just talk about this. The sharpen tool, you can adjust to. It's more like the reverse process of the blur tool. See, to add detailing. We are doing a movie poster. Just to add texture to it. Okay, that's for the sharpen tool. Your smoosh tool is more like the blur tool also, but you can use this to do your oil painting. I'll create a tutorial for this. There's a smoosh brush. There's a specific brush you have to install to create your digital painting. So the smoosh tool, basically this was used for to smoothing the picture. Okay, it's now looking more like a cartoon. Okay, that's for that. Okay guys, if you know this tutorial was of help to you, please don't forget to like our page, comment and share. Thank you for your time once more.